2-digit natural numbers which have both same digits. Now 2-digit natural numbers means from 10 to 99 only, and both should have same digits. So 11, table of 11, 11, 22, 33, 44, blah blah blah, 99. The whole upon how many numbers? 9, because we want the mean. So what is the addition to this? Now there is a separate method to add. This is called as arithmetic progression, but it's not there at your level. If you go in 11th science or 12th science, then you'll find this. So just add this and you get the answer as 495. Divided by 9, you get the answer as 55. I can change this problem and give you a separate problem. Suppose if I give find the mean of 2-digit natural numbers, sum of whose digits is 8. Now 2-digit natural numbers and sum should be 8. So if I start with 8, 17, 26, blah 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 up to 80, because it can't go beyond 80. Now is 8 the correct number? Because we require 2 digits. Somebody can say that this is 0, 8 can be written over here, but that 0 carries no meaning. So this is a single digit number. So this has to be removed. So now for remaining, just add them and divide it by how many are there? 8 are there. Add and divide by 8. So the answer is 48.5. Similarly, this problem can be changed to anything, like sum of digits is 9. Then what? Try it yourself. Sum of digits is 9 or sum of digits is 7. Main point is we need to understand the problem. We need not get afraid that we have not read anything or we have not found we have not solved such problems. Problems in exams would be different than what you are studying. That's why the important concept is understand them and then go ahead. Just mugging up or just learning those problems is not a solution. Maths is not learning. Maths is